Want to know what to do with these Trader Joe's spices? In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 of the best ways to use this spice. If that's something you wanna see, just keep watching. Outside of the Spice Market box, the Everything But the Bagel seasoning is $1.99. The blend has sesame seeds, black and white, salt flakes for a brighter crunch, garlic, onion, and poppy seeds. Here are my 5 ways to use the Everything But the Bagel seasoning. Number 1, avocado toast. Yes, millennial avocado toast. Again, it's so good, it's so easy, just do it. Number 2, on a baked potato. Add this with your butter, your sour cream, a little bit of the seasoning, and it's nice and crunchy, and it's just a new take on a staple. Number 3, popcorn. So whether you air pop it, microwave it, or cook it on the stove, if you're adding butter or not adding butter, no matter what, as long as the popcorn's hot, sprinkle this right on top, and it just takes your popcorn to the next level. Number 4, breading or coating for chicken. So you take your panko crumbs or your pork rind crumbs if you're low carb, add the seasoning, do what you do, put it in the oven, bake it, crunchy, crispy, and kind of fun. And number 5, my favorite way, crusted salmon. Check it out. Okay, so here we have our Everything But the Bagel seasoning. And what we're gonna do first is we're going to use our avocado spray, and we're just gonna spray our aluminum foil a little bit. Then we're going to, okay, I'm gonna have to touch it. It is what it is. We're gonna do skin side up, and we're gonna take our avocado oil. I could actually have just normal avocado oil. And we're going to put maybe a tablespoon or a little bit on there. And we're gonna smear that around that skin side. Obviously this side of the skin removed. And we're going to crust our Everything But the Bagel seasoning on it. Be generous. This has all the flavor, those big flaky crystals of salt, which are going to be so good when you actually bite into the salmon. And I have the oven on at 350. There we go, that looks good, that looks so good. Okay, that's about a tablespoon or so. So I'm gonna place this into the oven, and we're gonna cook this for about 7 minutes. And that is generally the rule of fish. When you have about an inch thickness of fish, you wanna cook it for 7 minutes. So 7 minutes should be good. We'll take this out and see what it looks like. All right. Okay, so we have now finished our 7 minutes, and we are gonna go ahead and open the oven. I didn't grab my oven mitt. There we go. Yes, we all have these oven mitts at home. Don't pretend like you don't either. All right, so pop this open. Ooh, do you hear that sizzle? All right. Oh yeah, that looks great. All right, so what's cool about salmon is that it has its own natural thermometer. So if you look on the side here, you see how that's all opaque pink? It's not a bright orange pink. That's how you know this guy's done. Also, let's give it a little, it's firm to the touch. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. All right, let's go ahead and cut into it. It could use a couple more minutes. Let's take a peek inside just to see, but I'm pretty confident. Oh yeah, that's flaking. Oh yeah, look at that. That is perfect. That is perfect fish. I'm very excited. Oh, we're gonna give that a taste. Wanna give this a taste? Oh my gosh. Like I said, definitely one of my favorite ways to use the Everything But the Bagel seasoning. This, give it 5 stars. 5 stars. All right. Also launching alongside this 5-part video spice series is the Trader Joe's inspired cookbook Spice Market Edition. Inside, there's 25 brand new recipes by me, Chef EB. It can be found at the links in the description box below on Amazon and on Kindle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video, and down in the comments below, let me know what you think of these tips and tricks. I'll see y'all next time.